Team Weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Chris Ramirez. Sponsored by Jim Bass Cars and Trucks.
Well, today our high temperature here in San Angelo at Mathis Field topped out at 99 degrees. It's going to be much hotter tomorrow. Those temperatures are going to be surpassing the 100-degree mark. Looking at those weather headlines, we could potentially get up to 104 tomorrow. Wouldn't be surprised if we get up to 105. But for the rest of the week, we're going to continue to see these hot temperatures remaining in the upper 90s as we head into the end of the week. But also, starting on Thursday, we will see the potential for a few storms to start coming in and flaring up in those evening hours. Overnight lows in the 60s going into the next several nights. But looking at our time lapse, of course, we saw some smoky haze today. Of course, that was all due to a controlled burn in and around the Cristobal area. So, of course, not really anything of concern. Looking at the past 6 hours, definitely saw clear skies, sunny conditions, temperatures fairly hot, very pretty sunset there in the evening hours there. As we go closer towards the overnight hours, expect to see those temperatures once again dropping down into the low 70s. A little bit warm for tonight. We're still sitting in the 80s here, 86 degrees, winds out of the south at 8 miles an hour here in San Angelo. Across the area, 79 in El Dorado, 86 in Sterling City, 79 in Melvin. So we're going to continue to see these somewhat pleasant and warm temperatures for the overnight hours. Winds a little bit calmer out of the south at 8 miles an hour. As we look at the big picture across the U.S., we are seeing this high pressure system that's currently in place. This is what's responsible for keeping our skies clear and those temperatures warming as we go into the next couple of days there. But we are dealing with an active tropics. We have a tropical storm off the coast of the Carolinas here, currently weakening as it moves off the coast there. But this is Tropical Storm Arthur. This is now has winds at 60 miles an hour, pressures at 991 millibars, and moving east-northeast at 15 miles an hour. As we look at the projected track of this particular storm, of course, we're expecting this to go over open water, weakening as we go into the next couple of days here. Heading into closer to Texas, we have this high-pressure system currently in place, keeping those conditions calm. This will be kind of dominating the weather pattern for the next couple of days, and then it's going to be weakening by Thursday. But looking at that extended futurecast, Tuesday and Wednesday, fairly hot and sunny, highs in the upper 90s, surpassing the 100-degree mark going into Tuesday, in the upper 90s for Wednesday. But then starting on Thursday, we're going to have several disturbances that are going to be moving through the area. That's going to cause the potential for a few storms to start flaring up each day for the end of the week there as we go into the end of the week. So we could see this potential of this dry line feature that we usually see when it comes to that severe weather season there as we head into the end of the week. But then as we go into Saturday and Sunday, we have another upper level low pressure system that's going to be coming through the south central U.S. It could bring some widespread storms coming into the picture for Sunday and Monday, but those high temperatures remaining rather warm in the upper 80s and 90s. We do have a cold front moving through on Monday, but expect to see these rain chances still continuing to be in the picture going into the start of next week. Tonight, expect those lows should drop down to 69 degrees. We'll be seeing those overnight lows in the 70s in some locations, but looking for tomorrow, very hot temperatures expected, topping out at 104 for us here in San Angelo. I wouldn't be surprised if we make it up to 105. 100-degree temperatures all across the board for us here in the Concho Valley with those winds out of the south at 9 miles an hour, mostly sunny skies. Of course, that record was 105 set in 2003, so we're going to be sort of tying that as we go into tomorrow. But of course, the normal temperature around this time of year is around 88 degrees. But looking at for the next 7 days, expect those temperatures to remain rather warm. Sunny conditions expected for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then those rain chances come into the picture for Thursday. So expect to see those very warm temperatures with the potential for an isolated storms or two into Thursday afternoon, lasting into Friday. So Thursday into the weekend, we're going to have this potential for a few storms, isolated storms to develop. We have more of an increased storm chance for this weekend. Overnight temperatures remaining rather pleasant in the upper 60s for the next several nights. We'll be right back.